Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. Sometimes you might want to withdraw money from TikTok, especially if you have earned coins, rewards, or gifts from your live streams. TikTok allows creators to earn money through live gifts, coins received from viewers, or other reward programs. Before you can withdraw, make sure your account is verified, you meet the minimum balance requirement, and you have added a valid payment method like a bank account or PayPal. TikTok makes it easy to transfer your earnings safely, and you can check your balance at any time to see how much you have earned. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Now tap on Balance. This is where you can see all the money you have earned from gifts, coins, and other rewards. Here, you can check your total balance. Then tap on View next to the estimated balance to see more details about your earnings. Now tap on the amount next to the live rewards. This will show you the exact money you can withdraw. From here, you can follow the on-screen instructions to withdraw your money to your bank account, PayPal, or any other available option. Make sure your payment details are correct so the money can reach you safely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.